Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sneha. I hope you all are doing fine. I just love this sunlight that's coming from my window. So yes, I'm back on YouTube after a month and I'm super excited for today's video because this is a Q&A video which I always wanted to do, but the questions were really dumb last time, hence I cancelled it. But this time I have a lot of questions asked by you guys on my Instagram. I selected a few questions. I had mentioned a story, like I've put a story saying that you can ask me anything and I'll be answering that on my YouTube. So I have 9 questions listed here. Sunlight कैसे नहीं दिखेगा, and here is this or that, and I'm super excited for this one. So yes, I will be reading out the questions and answering them by myself because I don't have a team or I don't have anybody who can ask me the questions, so I'm going to do it myself. So let's get started. So the first question is, what's something that really makes you happy? Something that really makes me happy, I swear it's only my job, not the job but the salary. I really feel happy when I get the amount every month, the salary. That makes me feel that, that makes me feel motivated. I feel that I'm independent, and being financially independent is really important. So that makes me happy. I love what I do. And yes, और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में? Do you have a bad temper? Not anymore, but earlier I was sick. I was so short tempered. I used to lose my shit any minute, and it was not healthy. It was very bakwas. So, but from past, I guess, 2 years, I've changed a lot as a person, and that is my personal growth. I don't react on stupid things until and unless it really matters. So yeah, I don't lose my shit anymore. अभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार भाड़ में जाओ, चिल मारते हैं यार, ऐसे वाला फीलिंग आता है. Like I can't keep fighting and cribbing. I don't like it anymore. Things that you cannot leave your house without. It's my phone, my earpods, money if needed, cash. वैसे तो we use Google Pay वगैरह ही. And what else? Perfume, a lipstick if needed, or a lip balm. What else? I don't think anything else. The next question is, what's something you don't like about yourself? Something that I don't like about myself is that I'm not disciplined. Not at all. And I really want to be disciplined in life. I remember my manager once in our meeting said that there should be 3 things which you should follow in life. One is discipline, hard work, and consistency. Hard work, ठीक है, consistency भी, but discipline is a big no for me. Whether it be eating habits, sleeping patterns, everything is a big no. I'm really working on it. I really hope the next time I speak here I say good things about this, like about myself. But discipline is a big no, so I don't like that thing about me. I'm not disciplined. Also, something that I don't like about myself is I'm so now, so why I'm scared, but I can't say no to people. I always say yes, which is a big flop for me. इसके बहुत लेने के देने पड़े मुझे ज़िंदगी में, बट मैं नो बोल ही नहीं सकती हूँ, मेरे से होता ही नहीं है. आई ऑलवेज से येस फॉर वट एवर इट इज़, एंड बहुत बकवास लगता है फिर, क्योंकि देन आई फील दैट आई एम जस्ट बीइंग फेक बाय सेइंग येस हर टाइम, हाँ हाँ हाँ. And there are a lot of times when I have to say no, but I end up saying हाँ ठीक है वगैरह वगैरह. That's what I don't like about myself. When are you getting married? ये क्वेश्चन पता नहीं तुम लोग कितने सालों से मुझे पूछ रहे हो. मैं जब भी वो Q&A डालती हूँ इंस्टा स्टोरीज पे, मतलब पता नहीं बहुत सारे लोग या फिर कोई एक तो भी रहेगा ये जो ये पूछता है. और इस दिस टाइम ऑल्सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल आस्क्ड, एंड लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो यही सब बकवास पूछ रहे थे, इसलिए आई had cancelled the video, to be honest. But I will answer this, like why not? I just realized, like तभी मुझे realize हुआ कि मैं कर देती थी answer. It was not a big deal. So I am not sure when I'm getting married, but not so soon. I need 4-5 years. Maybe 2020, what is going on? 24, 25, 26, 27, 20, 29, 2029 में I'll get married. So yeah, and द फनी पार्ट इज़ ये वो लोग पूछते हैं जिनकी खुद शादी नहीं हुई है, जिनका खुद छोड़ो. But yeah, like मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि why are you guys asking, why are you guys not married yet, and why are you asking me every time that when am I getting married? Very silly. And there are a lot of people also who ask me when are you getting married, so ये सब. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है मैं मन में बोलती कि are you even invited? Like I don't think so. Are you into ghost hunting? I'm not, but I'm interested. Like I'm not interested, but I really want to try this once, like going at some horror place, and you know, I just want to see like I don't want to see the ghost, but I just want to, like, I don't know how to explain, but somewhere like that. I always like try to convince my friends to come with me कोई horror जगह पे, but none of them are interested, and yeah, some of them agreed, but सिर्फ बोलने के लिए, nobody is ready to come with me कोई भी horror place पे. I always want to do this horror वाला thing. I don't know, I am very scared. I'm very like I'm always scared whenever I watch horror movies. मेरी बत्ती गुल रहती है, I can't sleep, and I had like a lot of issues कुछ साल पहले, क्योंकि Bhakti used to come and tell me stupid stories, and I used to believe all of those, and I used to be so scared, and she used to do night shifts, and अब वो late आती थी तो I was alone in my room and she was not married, and बहुत डर लगता था मुझे तभी. I like used to cry legit. So yeah. Show your tiny cute चीज़ों का collection. This my friend has asked me, I remember. So I have this one portly bag types in which I put all my little miniatures. I have a lot of them, and those are like really cute. I have a small diary like Ittusi. I have a small Doraemon. I have a lot of things. And अभी तो मैं नहीं दिखा रही हूँ इस वीडियो में, but yeah, I love collecting all of like tiny miniatures. I love it. I remember once I went to this cafe, and they had like this tiny miniature, a suitcase miniature, and I was like, wow, this is so cute. And that bhaiya was like, ले लो. I was so happy. I got it free में. And वो suitcase के अंदर they have like छोटे छोटे photos princess के. I am a big, like, I really love collecting all the miniatures. How do you manage work and fashion? I remember this, my ex-colleague who is also my friend asked me, Ashwin asked me this, and like I try to manage. I'm not that good. अभी तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं. I don't give much time to myself doing this videos वगैरह, but shooting content. But I was really good पहले, बहुत ज़्यादा smooth, and it was really good. I used to shoot content like every day. I used to shoot something or the else. I was so obsessed with camera, but abhi it's not the same, unfortunately. But I'm trying to be, you know, to balance both of them. But now that I'm doing night shifts, it's really difficult. Where if you do night shift, you can't do anything. Even if you're not sleeping din mein, you can't do anything. Like you don't have the energy only. So yeah, I'm trying. But thank you for this question. I really liked it. Like at least somebody is noticing that I'm doing both of the things together. But yeah, I'm trying. I'll be more constant on Instagram. I'm not that active these days. It's been a while that I posted. I think I posted last picture 10 or 15 days ago. So I'm super excited for this one, this or that. It's like chocolate or ice cream, cake या chips वैसे वाला. So I'm very excited because this is cool. So the first one is breakfast or brunch. Breakfast any day. Summer or winter? Winter. Go out, stay in. Sunrise, sunset. Of course sunset. I love sunsets and it's so romantic. Night in, night out. Night in, I'm not like I can stay awake whole night, but I cannot go out. Like I don't like doing night outs. What's happened to me? What's wrong with me? Modern house, vintage house. Both. I really love vintage house. I really love modern house as well. Both. I can't answer anyone. Both. Horror movies or rom-com movies. Rom-com movies also horror, but I can only watch horror movies if somebody is there with me. Otherwise, I love rom-com movies. I love Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na. I recently watched Ye Diwani Hai Diwani. It was also good. So yeah, rom-com movies and then horror movies, but rom-com. Beach, mountain. I am not a water baby. I'm not a water person. I'm very scared of water. So I have water fear. Mountains, any day, any day. Be poor and happy or be rich and unhappy. I think I'll be rich and unhappy because I have seen people सब मिलने के बाद भी वो खुश नहीं रहते. कुछ नहीं रहेगा तो भी खुश नहीं रहते, कुछ सब कुछ रहेगा तो भी खुश नहीं रहते. Like very few people, Dev Manus types. But I don't think like I'll be rich and unhappy. That's fine for me. Have no house, have no car, win $1 million or meet your soulmate. I'll win $1 million because I already have found my soulmate. So yeah. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you loved the video and you enjoyed. For me, this was fun because I have never done Q&A video. I've done it only on my stories where I type the answers, but I've never done it like this. So it was really fun. I enjoyed it. मुझे नहीं लगा था मुझे इतना मज़ा आएगा, to be honest, but yeah, I've always wanted to do this one. So I'm happy with the video. I really hope कि तुमको देख के भी मज़ा आया होगा. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. Also share it with your friends and family.